Let's see what you got.
Just found some.
There's another one right. There's another one right in front of where those two are.
Oh my gosh.
I see it.
You saw this one?
Yeah. Well, I see it now.
Oh.
I don't know how you didn't see that. It's like a yellow beacon. Look at those. Those are beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Hey, good morning. Thanks for joining me today. We're out in the Coast Range. I've got some new friends. I've got Jen and Liz and Heather and Ben. We're hunting for chanterelles together, and so far we're having an awesome time. We found more than we expected. Everybody's getting some education, but we're having a blast. So let's get out and have a good, safe hunt. Let's go.
Woo! Woo!
Check out Liz has got her first chanterelle. Now, Liz, you can either pluck or cut. Now, if you're gonna pluck it, I pluck them. The one on the right, the farthest the brown part's not good.
Yeah, but this one.
But yeah, if you want to, you can cut if you want, but or you can, yeah, I would go down as low as you can, and just run your knife kind of parallel with the ground.
Okay, it looks like there's some little baby ones. I didn't actually realize that they would grow in little clusters.
Oh, they grow in some serious clusters.
Really? Okay, let's see.
Yeah, you're good there. There you go. Just hook it all the way through.
Okay.
There you go. You missed one.
This is okay too?
Yeah. The only one that's not good is that brown one on the end. Yeah. So let's see what you got. Liz got the prize for the first chanterelle of the day. Awesome. Well done. All right, Ben has found some chanterelles, all on his own.
Yeah. Is there another one right here? What's going on here?
Yeah, hey,
a small one.
Oh,
yeah.
Right there too, yeah.
Right by his feet.
Look.
That's a big
Yeah.
bunch.
Now look to your right under the fern.
My right?
Yeah, you're right. Or my right. It's the same right.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, here's some that
Come
will...
take a peek.
Yeah, don't leave this one for Heather.
You got one for Heather? Heather, do you want to get this guy?
Oh no, I don't have to get it. I just want to see what it looks like. Right here. Oh wow. Here's a good one for Heather. Yeah, there's like two of them down there.
You want to kind of get as far to the base as possible?
Are you just picking them?
I see some more up there too.
On it.
Heather?
Yeah, there you go. That's a good one.
Yeah, Heather, hold them up.
Cool.
Okay, we're getting into the shrooms now.
Yes. Woo woo.
There are a few up there, Jen?
Yeah. There's looks like some people cut some, and then there's some others that are left behind.
Yeah, look, there's some here too. A couple of small ones right here. Right in the hill.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cosmo.
Yes.
Look at this one.
What do you got? Let me see.
Here's something.
That's another one of those false ones that just isn't as mature.
It's a different color. This one.
Yeah, I'm definitely team pluck the mushrooms because you do
Yeah.
get a lot more.
Yeah, see? There's some more right here.
What about
Jen?
this one?
To your right, right.
Oh, maybe I see it. Oh,
Oh.
yeah.
What about this one? Oh yeah.
Right there.
Oh, here and there.
Yeah, there's a few there.
What about this little guy?
Oh, that's another cute one. That's a lever. I don't know.
Okay.
I found a really beautiful caterpillar.
Yeah, I see him too. Wait, Cosmo, what's this one?
This guy here.
Ooh.
Let's take a look.
Oh, he's longer than I thought.
I don't know. That's a guild mushroom. I don't know. It's one of those ones that
Yeah, we just kinda look at.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Did you find those up there,
Yeah.
Jen?
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome.
It is.
Yeah, if it's a little chunky one like that, just grab it around the base and wiggle it, and you'll be surprised how much is under the ground. And then just cut the tip off.
What do you think about this one? Should I just leave that?
It's up to that one's kind of small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's small. So then...
Remember, you got to clean every one of these when you get home. So.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Well done, Jen. That's a stick. Heather.
It's not. It's a mushroom.
Do you see it yet?
No.
Okay, look a little more forward. A little more forward. A little warmer.
I don't want to step
Warmer.
I'm not gonna step on
Straight down about 2 feet in front of you. You have to see it now.
No.
Wait, why aren't you picking these ones?
Oh, keep looking. A little more forward. Your hand is right. Look at that big monster.
Oh, nice.
Yes, you found a big one.
Did I find
No help whatsoever.
Did I find it?
Look at that honker.
That's a good one. Heather. Oh my god.
Hey, Ben, keep walking your way. There's chanterelles in this patch right here.
Do you think this guy is okay or is the top too gnarly?
Oh, I love those gnarly ones.
Yeah, cool. Oh my god, yours is like as big as your hand.
So I'll look. You see it right over there.
Yes, I do. That one I see.
So as you guys start to find the mushrooms, you'll start to see what type of stuff they grow in.
Is this what you were calling out?
Oh, those, I don't know if I picked those.
I don't know. No?
I don't know if I picked those.
Can't tell if you're joking or not.
Well done. Those are beautiful.
Oh, man.
Is this still a chanterelle?
Oh,
I have to
like
see that
it.
one.
Whoa,
Look at that.
Dad.
Bang.
Wow, Jen.
Okay, here.
Liz just uncovered a shrimp that has a colossal mushroom in it.
Yeah,
I'm
Liz.
good about this one.
That is a toad. Get in there.
Where's even the...
Yeah.
Oh, it's like... round.
Oh my.
Nice.
Good
What
job.
a beast.
I love him.
Way to go, Liz.
Thanks.
Nice.
Thanks for all the tips.
Beautiful. I think the ones in there.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty nice. Is there more in there?
They found it right here. Because it's like...
Oh, there's another one up there.
Yeah, right here, right?
Yeah. And hey, Jen, if you cross over that log and walk up the hill,
Okay.
there's half a dozen of them up there too.
Awesome.
Let's see what you got, Liz.
Oh, God.
You're getting sloppy.
I know. Shoot, they're falling. So many.
What do you got, Liz?
Oh, man.
Let's see what you got. Dang, those are big.
I know, and they're all just right here.
How about that?
Show me your gold. Nice.
I see more over to the left too.
Thank you.
Well done. You guys did great.
Okay, now...
Oh my goodness. What do you got there? That is probably the big one of the day right there. There's two of them actually.
Yeah, there's
Two
another
there.
one down there too.
Two, and there's another one.
Yeah.
Well done. And you got a few more
Yep.
right beside you.
Yep.
Dang.
Oh, look at that one. Good one, Cosmo.
Yeah. So, yep. Now look to the clump on your right there. Go further to the right. Further to the right. Yeah, see it? You can see it right there on the edge? No. I'm looking right here. Is that fern here? Oh, it is fern. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Dang, look at those beasts.
Oh my God, Ben looks like he found a...
It might be.
Ooh, I see one sticking out. I wonder if I can get over to it.
Are you guys having fun?
Yeah.
Is this better than you thought it was going to be, or is this about what you thought?
Better.
I mean, it's just so nice to be out here, like we were saying. It's like, even if we didn't find any mushrooms.
Look at that.
Mushrooms and it's
Dang.
wow.
Oh my God.
Cosmo,
What's that?
what's up with people with these?
Yeah, is that marking good spots, maybe?
Those are hunters marking their trail, or hikers marking their trail if they don't have a GPS. That's how they find their way back into their secret spots. But look on this hill. Look. Right here. Look over there. There's more.
No, I mean by accident.
What do you got, Liz? What do you got?
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, look here too. Hey,
Oh, yeah.
Jen, that's good.
Yeah, we're there.
Look right here. Look.
Some biggies over there. Oh, and some over
Ooh, I
here.
see some behind you, Cosmo.
There's some in front of me too. Heather's getting into them. Oh, there's a big one right here. Right there.
I'll tell you what,
Oh,
I definitely don't dislike mushrooms more now.
hey, Liz. You walked right by that.
Well, I was looking at this guy, so...
Nice. And there's another one buried. There's one there. There's one there. Yeah. And so I told you they could go right up in the base. What do you got, Jen?
We got some guys in here. See those?
Oh, yeah. You might have to do some surgery to get those guys out of there.
Ooh.
That is awesome. Heather's in there on too. Look at those two chunky ones right next to you.
Yeah, I know. On my way.
Gotta get the hands dirty.
Oh, I think I stepped on this one.
Well, we're back at the car. This is our haul for the day.
Not
we
bad.
did well. We did well.
And we had so much fun.
Did you guys have a good time?
So much fun.
Ben, you have a good time?
Wow.
Good. We had an awesome day. We were very successful. Everybody's got bags full of mushrooms. Now we're going to take a break, have a little lunch, and maybe go chase some more mushrooms down below. So I cooked these last night. I just want to warm them up a little bit. Now we're going to do take these. On top of the toast here. I also have some small plates we can put these guys on. We're not done yet. So I'll cut my fingers off. How's that look?
Really tasty.
Look all right?
Mm-hmm.
This is a little bit of shaved Romano.
I was hoping that would happen.
There we go.
Turned off.
No, it's still going. It's still going. Okay, I think we're all set.
Awesome.
How's that look? Let's put it down here with the rest of
Amazing.
the goodies.
Oh yeah, that was amazing. You grew them.
Looks pretty good to me, guys. I don't know.
This is awesome.
What do you think?
Great spread.
Go for it. Everybody happy?
Yeah.
Good time?
Very happy.
Good.
Couldn't ask for a better Sunday.
Awesome.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you for joining me today.